Jack and Jill, School Jack and Jill. This was started in 2003 and it is the 9th annual day which is being celebrated, and this is the 5th annual day at this same location, and the school is only up to UKG, and we give an excellent foundation to the children. The unique specialty of this school is that it's a truly English medium school. Future plan we are having now it's already we are entering into the 10th year, and we are planning to expand the school further with a different name. The new name which is coming up very shortly is Gyan Sagar Vidyalaya. Gyan Sagar Vidyalaya is the most probably the new name of the new school, which will be from the first standard onwards, which will be launched the next year.